Hello and welcome to Diversity of Science. My topic for today is tablets. In this video, we will cover what are tablets, their types, their advantages and disadvantages, and ingredients used in the tablet formation. So without wasting any further time, let's begin. Now, what are tablets? Tablets are the solid dosage form which are compressed and they contain medicaments with or without the use of excipients. Now, 70% of the pharmaceutical dosage forms are dispensed in the form of tablets. They vary in size, shape, and weight depending upon the amount of excipients present in them. Now, if we talk about the types of tablets, they are classified in 4 ways. Number 1, which are administered by mouth. Number 2, which are used in oral cavity. Number 3, which are administered by other routes. And number 4, which are used to prepare solution. Now we will talk in detail about all 4 different types of tablets and we will see what these examples are. Let's discuss the first class of tablets which are taken by mouth. The example included in this one is compressed tablets, which contains no coating and are water soluble and get disintegrated into the stomach. For example, paracetamol tablet. Then we have multiple compressed tablets. These are prepared to separate physically or chemically incompatible ingredients or to produce repeat action or prolonged action products. I cannot give you any example of such kind of tablets because nowadays they are not much used and hence they are not available in the market. The next one we have are sugar-coated tablets. They are used for masking the bitter taste and the unpleasant odor of the tablet, for example, ibuprofen tablet. Now, the another type of tablet included in this class are film-coated tablets. They protect the medicament from atmospheric effects, for example, rosuvastatin tablet. The next example is chewable tablets. These are given to children as they have difficulty in swallowing, for example, calcium tablets or multivitamin supplements. The next type of tablet are enteric-coated tablets, which are designed to bypass the stomach to be disintegrated in the intestine only, for example, aspirin. Now, the another type of category we have here are the tablets kept inside the mouth only. The examples of this include buccal tablets, sublingual tablets, lozenges, and dental cones. Now, buccal tablets are those which are placed inside the cheek where they are dissolved and they are absorbed, for example, progesterone tablet. Sublingual tablets are those which are placed under the tongue where they dissolve quickly, for example, vitamin B12 tablet. Lozenges are those which are used to treat sore throat to control coughing and common cold, for example, strepsils, lozenges, etc. And then we have dental cones which are placed in the empty sockets after the tooth extraction to prevent the multiplication of bacteria by slowly releasing antibacterial compounds. Now, I cannot give you an example of this class because I cannot find an example used in market nowadays. The next type of tablets we are going to discuss are the tablets administered through other routes. The examples of this class include implantation tablets and the vaginal tablets. The implantation tablets are those which are placed under the skin by minor operations and are slowly absorbed. For example, naltrexone implants are used for those people who want to stay opioid free. Now, the examples of opioid are morphine and cocaine. So such people who want to get rid of this addiction are used with these implants so that they can get rid of it. Then we have vaginal tablets. These are used to release steroids or antimicrobial agents. For example, clotrimazole tablet given in the vaginal thrush, which is the fungal infection of vagina. Now, the last type of tablets are the ones which are used to prepare other solution. And the examples of this includes effervescent tablets, dispensing tablets, hypodermic tablets, and tablet triturates. Now, effervescent tablets are those which react with water, liberating carbon dioxide, leading to disintegration and solution formation. For example, vitamin C tablets. Now, dispensing tablets were an old form of tablets used by the pharmacist to produce drug solutions that contain large amount of active pharmaceutical ingredient than normal. And since they are not used nowadays, so I cannot give you an example of this class. Then we have hypodermic tablets. These are soft and readily soluble tablets in sterile water, which were originally used for preparation of injectable solutions. These are also not preferred nowadays as the solution does not remain sterile. Now, in the picture, you can see that there are hypodermic tablets which were used in the previous days. I found this on the internet and this is the only picture I got. The last example of this class are tablet triturates. These are powders molded into tablets usually containing an active substance mixed with a diluent. Now, this form of tablets are also not available in the market, hence I cannot give you any picture of this class again. Let's talk about the advantages of tablets. The first one is the accurate doses given. Second is the manufacturing cost is lower than other dosage forms. Then they are light, compact, easiest and cheapest to package and strip. They're easy to identify and swallow with the least tendency for hang-up. The release is easy to control and manipulate. They have greatest chemical and microbial stability over all oral dosage forms. Now, when we're talking about the advantages, how can we ignore the disadvantages? Let's talk about the disadvantages of tablets. The disadvantages of tablets includes that they are difficult to swallow for children and unconscious patients. The next one is that some drugs resist compression into tablets due to their hygroscopic nature. Hygroscopic nature means that the compound tends to absorb water molecules from the atmosphere, and in such cases, the tablet tends to melt. The third disadvantage is that the drugs with poor wetting, slow dissolution properties will not favor good bioavailability. Now, this is because if the tablets are not wet properly, they will not disintegrate and break down easily. And if they will not break down easily, they will not be able to absorb by the body. And hence there will be no good bioavailability of the drug in the body. The last disadvantage of tablet is that the bitter tasting drugs or the drugs with an objectionable odor or the drugs which are sensitive to oxygen may require encapsulation or coating. Let's talk about tablet ingredients. As I told you before that in every dosage form, one compound that has to be mandatory is the API, which is active pharmaceutical ingredient, and the other one are the excipients, which are inert materials. Now, the inert materials which are used in the tablet formation are lubricant, which is also called as glidant. This improves the flow and the tableting process. We also have filler or diluent, which increases volume, making the tablets manageable. We also use to coat the products to protect them from moisture, unpleasant taste, and control dissolution. We also use disintegrants, which makes the tablet disintegrate faster. We also use binder, that are also called as glues, to hold the different tablet components together. We also add solubilizer, which improves the drug solubility to make it more effective. Now, this was all about my today's video on tablets. Hope you liked my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Happy learning.